Is your trading business just not generating enough revenue? Are you unhappy with the profits and need to have them rise? Introducing Forex Trendy. It's a software solution to avoid trading during uncertain market periods. Instead, it picks the best trending pair at the current time. How it works? Forex Trendy uses no indicators. The trend is determined by pure price action. It quickly scans 34 Forex pairs, i.e. 34 by 9 equals 306 charts, on all time frames from minute to monthly. It then analyzes all the charts for you every second. This way, you get the best trending pair and time frame at any time you want. The results are given online. How useful is this? It's the most effective and profitable strategy to make money used by the many professional traders. Forex Trendy is a much more sophisticated application capable of recognizing the most reliable continuation of chart patterns. It scans through all the charts on all time frames and analyzes every potential breakout. After considering the reliability of the pattern, it tells you about its trend observation accordingly. Why choose it? Forex Trendy is the most reliable software that ensures time saving, best trends, speed, and no additional download. How to get it? Visit the official website and log into the members area today. Join now. Click on the link below.